Hey there, what's up guys, this is CryptoMac and we are watching Crypto with CryptoMac. Hope you guys are doing great today. Before going into this video, please like this video and also subscribe this channel now to support this channel. So in this video, we are going to discuss about a Bitcoin technical analysis and Ethereum technical analysis. So we are going to discuss about Bitcoin and Ethereum price and what is happening with those patterns we have drawn, and there is one more thing I have to discuss about Bitcoin technical analysis. So I'm going to discuss that one, and also we are going to see about the market analysis, and we are going to see about main technical analysis of Bitcoin and Ethereum. So stay tuned and let's dive into this video. First of all, we can do market analysis in CoinGecko, and if we see the top 10 coins past 24 hours performance, we have Bitcoin 2.6% up, Ethereum minus 1.7% down, XRP minus 17.3% down, Litecoin 8% up, Bitcoin Cash minus 1.7% down, Binance Coin minus 2.1% down, Polkadot minus 1.9% down. Again, we have Cardano minus 6.7% down and Chainlink minus 6.9% down. So Chainlink dropped to top 10 and most of them are in red in terms of top 10 coins. And let's have a look on, and you can see it's quite sideways for some of the coins. If you see the top gainers in terms of past 24 hours, we have Zilliqa 10.5% up, Theta Network 9.3% up. Other than that, we can see it's like most of them are less than 10, not that much gainers we have. In terms of losers, we have large number of losers in past 24 hours. We have 1inch minus 36% down, XRP minus 17.3% down, Graph minus 16.7% down. So lots of losers are there. You can see VeChain, because since it's a weekend after Christmas, so most of them are down. So most of the business are in off. So because of that, we can see a large down trend in terms of most of the altcoins. And one more thing is Bitcoin dominance is a little bit high in a bull trend. That's a major thing. And that's a major thing, and Bitcoin breaks all-time high yesterday, but now at that time some of the altcoins have performed very well, and now we are having more red in some of the altcoins. So overall market is a little bit for altcoins, most of the things are a little bit bearish, but short-term bearish after a gain. So let's see how it goes in the coming days. Now let's have a look on Bitcoin technical analysis. So Bitcoin, we haven't discussed about this particular diamond pattern, but we have discussed about this triangle pattern where it has been formed. So this is what we have discussed, and it broke this, and it's now staying. I retested this particular level and it went above, and the target we have discussed is $25,700. But let's see how it goes, because we have one more long-term resistance coming over here. We can see that one. Before that, you can see this is not a triangle, and it looks like we have formed a diamond pattern. How it is you can see over here, this one like this, then this drop, then again I'm connecting this downward trend and this thing. So this is we called as downward diamond pattern, like this. We will call this one up down. So from here, so this we called as then up. So this is we called as diamond pattern, and target of this is actually quite a little bit high. We have to take this one. This should be taken as a target of diamond pattern, and if we take this at here, and it should be placed over here after this, the target would be around 27,500. So this is the target, and this is a major target in terms of diamond pattern. And in terms of the, we can say short term target would be around 25,700, which we took from this particular center line. But actual target for this particular diamond should be around 25,000. This is the target, and it is around 27,500. Let's see how it goes, because but one more thing is we have a major resistance coming over here. In terms of daily time frame, we can have a look on this. So we have been talking about this long trend line, but if we draw a trend line over here in the upward direction, it shows somewhat a diverging wedge. You can see over here diverging wedge, and this will act as a resistance, guys, because you can see over here after touching this dropped, then it went up, after touching this had a drop, then it went up, after touching this we had a drop. After that we have been traveling over here, it acted as a support, then we went up to here, then we dropped again, we are touching this level. So if this is acting as a huge resistance, strong resistance, we can expect a drop from here, which would bring the price to this level, that is around $20,000. The next major support area, maybe like this. After touching this, if we are getting rejection from there, then we can expect the price would come up to this level. Then it will be acting as support. Price can jump from that level. So that is also can happen. But if the Bitcoin is very much bullish, if it is strong enough to break this resistance, then we can achieve. Then the price will go to $27,500. It is possible, because if it is quite strong, if the Bitcoin price is quite strong, we can break this easily and we can go above this particular level. So that's the thing. That is what I want to discuss in this video. I haven't drawn a particular diamond pattern in the previous video, so that is what I have to discuss in this video. In terms of Ethereum, already we have been discussing about that neckline. So it haven't broken that particular neckline. So we have been discussing about these triangles and this W neckline. So this neckline, if the price touches that one and it drops back again after breaking this one, this triangle, it broke this particular ascending triangle, then it went up and breaking this trend line, downward trend line, and it touches the neckline. So this is a neckline, it touches the neckline, then it dropped down backwards. Again, you can see it is getting support from this this particular upward trend line. So it is getting support and it went above this level. So let's see how it goes. The main thing for Ethereum is it has to break this particular neckline in order to go further upwards. So that's a major thing. Maybe this can be this can form a one more support like this. No, I think it won't work. Let's see how it goes, because it's a smaller trend line. But let's see how it goes, whether it is going to break downwards or whether it is again going to break upwards. If it is going to break downwards, then next support is at $595. This is a major support area. If it is going to break upwards, then we have different targets like this. We have been seeing $740 and $800. That's a major thing. So we have to wait for that, whether it is going to break upwards or downwards. Since it's a weekend, most of Bitcoin is moving sideways. So that's the thing. That is what I want to share in this video about both Bitcoin and Ethereum and technical analysis. I hope you would like this video. If you like this video, please smash the like button and also subscribe to the channel to support this channel. I'll see you guys in another video of Crypto with CryptoMac. Until then, signing off, CryptoMac. See you guys.